How to change Amazon password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Amazon password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to change the Amazon password, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the little profile icon that you can find here. Once you tap the profile icon, just go to your account over here, and once you come to your account you can just go to login and security. Once you come to the little option known as login and security, what you need to do over here is you'll be able to find this option called password, and then you'll find the edit button next to it. So basically you can just tap this edit button next to the password box, enter your current password and enter the new password you want to change to, tap on save changes, and your Amazon password will get successfully changed. This way you'll be able to change the Amazon password. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.